భారత టీవీకి స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. ఇస్రో చైర్మన్ డాక్టర్ వి నారాయణన్ గారు మంగళవారం తిరుపతి జిల్లా సూళ్లూరుపేటలోని శ్రీ చెంగాళమ్మ పరమేశ్వరి అమ్మవారిని దర్శించుకున్నారు. నాసాతో కలిసి రూపొందించిన నిసార్ ఉపగ్రహం ప్రయోగం విజయవంతం కావాలని అమ్మవారి సన్నిధిలో ప్రత్యేక పూజలు నిర్వహించి మొక్కులు చెల్లించుకున్నారు. అలాగే ఆలయ సహాయ కమిషనర్ శ్రీమతి లక్ష్మీ ప్రసన్న గారు ఇస్రో బృందానికి స్వాగతం పలుకుతూ సాంప్రదాయ పద్ధతుల్లో పూజా కార్యక్రమాలు నిర్వహించారు. చైర్మన్ నారాయణన్ గారు వెల్లడించిన వివరాల ప్రకారం నిసార్ ఉపగ్రహం భూమిపై జరుగుతున్న మార్పులను గుర్తించేందుకు, అలాగే భూకంపాలు, వరదలు వంటి ప్రకృతి విపత్తులపై ముందస్తు సమాచారం అందించేందుకు కీలకంగా మారనుంది. ఈ అత్యంత ప్రతిష్టాత్మకమైన ప్రయోగం జూలై 30 సాయంత్రం 5:40 శ్రీహరికోట నుండి GSLV-F 16 ద్వారా జరగనుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో విక్రమ్ సారాభాయ్, స్పేస్ సెంటర్ డైరెక్టర్ ఉన్ని కృష్ణన్, షార్ గ్రూప్ డైరెక్టర్ గోపీకృష్ణ తదితర శాస్త్రవేత్తలు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Chandrayaan 4 is going to be a sample return mission, unlike Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 4 is a 9,600 kg compared to 4,000 kg of Chandrayaan 3. It will take sample and return back, and then we are going to do experiment. Chandrayaan 5 is another mission. We are working with Japan Space Agency JAXA, and all the activities are geared up. We are working for Bharat Tv station, and everything is targeted in 2.5 years to 3 years. Then you can understand entire country, entire ISRO, 20,000 employees with industrial partners, academia, everybody is working together. You know the Gaganyaan program, when we talk Gaganyaan program, my colleague Unni Krishna Nair, he was the founder director of the Human Space Flight Center. Currently, he is leading the important activities, the project management chairman of the Gaganyaan program. Probably, he will add a couple of points on the Gaganyaan progress. Yes, Unni Krishna Nair.
In our space program, first time we are taking a crew, a human being to space with importance on safety. So the LVM-3 vehicle is being modified with a human rating and adding escape system. And we have a 3 uncrewed mission before the crewed mission. So parallelly, one direction we are developing the technologies. The other direction, 4 crews have been selected from Indian Air Force. They are undergoing training. And then human-centric products like space suit and other related systems are getting developed. All the technologically intensive activities have been completed. Now it is in the qualification phase. So as Chairman has just mentioned, the first uncrewed mission will prove many of the technologies, followed by 2 more uncrewed missions. After that, we will have the successful, safe mission with the first human being in from Sriharikota.
We are going to have a important mission. The GSLV F-16 NISR mission is planned tomorrow evening 5:40 p.m. And this mission is a joint mission of Indian Space Research Organization and the JPL NASA. JPL NASA has delivered a payload called L-band synthetic aperture radar payload, along with a unfurlable antenna, and ISRO Center SAC Ahmedabad has realized a S-band synthetic aperture radar payload, and using both the payloads we have built a satellite, a very prestigious, technologically complex, technologically advanced, technologically important NISR, NASA ISRO synthetic aperture radar satellite. This satellite will be lifted off using our indigenous the GSLV vehicle, GSLV Mark II vehicle. This is the 18th rocket of the GSLV Mark II with 12th indigenous cryogenic stage. And this satellite will be used for the Earth observation and including the disaster management aspects. And every once in 12 days, the satellite will totally scan the entire globe, and this data will be utilized by the global community for various applications. And tomorrow is the 102nd launch from Sriharikota, and all the efforts are put and every activity is geared up. And today evening 2 hours 10 p.m. we are going to start the launch countdown activities for a targeted launch of 5:40 p.m. tomorrow. And along with me, the important director, the director of the Vikram Sarabhai, the mother center of ISRO, Dr. Unnikrishnan Nair is also there, and all my various colleagues and family members are here on this occasion. Around 2,400 kg is the approximate weight of the satellite. No, it will take approximately 35 to 40 days. It will take, because after taking the satellite to the required orbit, we have to do the entire testing in the orbit, and we have to check the ground segments. And of course, a lot of activities are scheduled, and 35 to 40 days, we will declare the satellite for the use of the global community. Satellite lifetime is something around 7 years. Is the approximate. No, there are a lot of joint missions. In fact, we are going to launch a Bluebird 2 communication satellite, 6,500 kg satellite of NASA. And last month we had an important mission. We sent Subhash Shukla to International Space Station, and that data is going to be feeding for our Gaganyaan program. In fact, there Indian had a great contribution. We also put, there was a small leakage problem in the Falcon 9 rocket, and we insisted on correcting the entire thing. Based on the insistence, the entire rocket system was put in correct place by correcting the leakage, and that ensured the successful launch of Subhash Shukla plus 3 more astronauts. And it was a 18 days mission, you all know. Now he has come back safely. Entire experience will be utilized for our Gaganyaan program. It is a quite interesting experience. You all know strength only respects strength, and we have come a long way. ISRO program was started in the year 1962. Today, we are also doing extremely well in multiple places, and we all work together as a with a friendly approach. The future, this year is the Gaganyaan year, and we are going to have the first uncrewed mission, which is going to take off this year December, followed by 2 more uncrewed mission, and then we will have the crewed mission by the first quarter of 2027. That is what is the target. And this year, lot of at least another 10 more rockets we are going to launch. Totally this year we have scheduled totally 12 launches. Out of that, this is going to be the 3rd launch, and then including this, there will be 10 more launches this year. And we are going to first, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has rolled out the space sector reform, and thereby first 5 PSLV rockets we have given to the industries, and the first rocket, N1 rocket, is going to come out, and that rocket is going to launch a technological demonstration satellite. And there are a lot of missions are planned this year. Chandrayaan 4 is a very, very important